This racing simulator is something I built from the ground up, fully 3D printed, every part made with intention. I wanted it to be compact, something that fits into real life, not just a workshop. Because it's printed, it's easy to repair, easy to change, and built for a true DIY mindset. It's fully customizable, not just mechanically, but digitally as well. You can develop your own code, tune the behavior, and make the simulator respond exactly the way you want it to. All of this while keeping the cost low, without giving up a clean, elegant sport design. This isn't the end of the project. It's the beginning of something bigger. We'll develop this rig together as a community, sharing ideas, improvements, and new features as it continues to evolve. And now, I'll let you hear it for yourself. Just how quiet the simulator really is.